Recall that a joint is the gap formed between two pieces of the base metal when we push them together to join. Recall that in brazing, the base metals are heated to about 840 degrees Fahrenheit. Neutral flame is used to heat them quickly and evenly. While heating the metals, we should run nitrogen through the system. This is because oxygen present in the atmosphere react with metal at high temperature. Reaction of metals with oxygen forms oxide impurities on the surface of the metal and inside the pipes. Recall that refrigerant lines used in HVAC system are made of copper tubing. Such impurities can be formed inside copper tubings while brazing them. This contaminants can restrict the flow through refrigerant lines. Nitrogen carries impurities along with it and escapes from other end of pipe. Nitrogen gas is used because it is dry, non-reactive, and non-combustible. It will not react with impurities and does not catch fire. A proper capillary action ensures good fit between the joint. Similarly, a proper clearance is necessary to create strong joint. Clearance is the radial distance between the joints to be brazed. The strongest joint is achieved when the joint clearance is 0.0015 inches. When the clearance is narrower than 0.0015 inches, capillary action is reduced. If the gap is wider than necessary, filler metal may fail to fill the joint completely. This will reduce the joint strength. Let us look at the video that shows capillary action. Brazing is used to join both similar metals and different types of metals. The strength of joint depends on the capillary action of filler metal. A proper clearance is required for good capillary action. A neutral flame is used for brazing to heat the base metals. We need to ensure that the joint is heated uniformly. In the next module, let us look at different heating methods for brazing.